Okay, happy morning for every one of you, my dear students. I'm your English teacher, Alistan. Today we will talk about a new lesson which is Unit 4, Birthday Parties on your students' book. Let us start, read it together, and please pay attention to me in order to know the meaning of difficult and new words. So here we have the text. It's about Dijla's 14th birthday. Dijla, hello my friends. Veda ke kachkak haya çark da salya id milada veya çark da haya nave Dijla'ya jmarek vejeche hello my friends. Merhaba havalemne heja. This Monday I am having a birthday party. Be roja dishame id milada mina. Will you come? ونقارن ورن قزوة دعوة بكم ريم of course بالطبع أريتشا ومناين where will be the party be بماوي حفل الكودة به دجلة it will be at my house والمعلم به لبيدي حسانجي دشتغلي داخبت be very nice تشتكى قلقي خوشة we will come أمين what time is it بما Chida media ساعات chanda دجلة it will be at 6 o'clock in the evening بوي ساعات ششبة إيفاري can you please invite Ali ونقارن بجنا علي جي سر روجبونا مي ريم I will call him هذا بير بشتغلم should I bring food ما حوجة أسخوار من بينهم دجلة no thank you we will have a barbecue and a big cake دجلة الفيديو بجينا حوجة أمي مشاوي تشيكن يعني وكا حفلكا شواء الجماعة باربيكيو شواءته أبي كيك أمي كيككا قلقي مظنين Okay, let us start to complete. رين حسان what will you give دجلة as a gift فيدا رين بيجي حسان تيتش دياريه جي دجلة ربي حسان I will give her a nice shirt أزي قميصة كي خوش بجربم here students nice shirt قميصة what about you طيب تيج جربة ريم I will give her a watch أدي جرا ساعة كيبم حسان okay I will see you there حسان جي الفيديو بيجي تمام أدي وإذن لويدا كبينم now my dear students here we have a new page we will start by questions in present continuous جارة دي مقالة present continuous كلمة قدنا بجيرة هنم كان جير بيجن present continuous أم جير بيجن present progressive ما صحة لجوار ديار كلمة we have 3 types of uses present continuous or present progressive in affirmative, in negative and in questions. Please pay attention to me. Affirmative we have negative and we have question. Today we will talk about questions and negative. جمع form ديارة وقتي أم forma present continuous affirmative أم دينا we will start by subject. After that we have verb to be which is is are. Then we have verb plus ing or in plus complement. F forma هنا كي forma يا أرينيا لبيدا كي affirmative حالة إثبات يعني نلجمع question هيا نلجمع negative هيا I will give you example. For example I am playing football. ام كارم في سنتنس هانا كي في جملة هانا كي ام بكن واري question دا وقتي ام question بلشن جمع فورمة ديارة we have verb to be first of all then we have subject after that we have verb plus ing after that we add complement. Please you should pay attention to this example. I am playing football. Here we have affirmative sentence. Now we will make it question. We will put the verb to be. Here we have the form verb to be plus subject. Then we have verb plus ing and complement. After that you should put question mark at the end of your sentence. الفيديو دداويدا دبابة question mark te همايا برسي te دداويدا بكار بيني جبو الفيديو كي برساتا راست بي وينا كي برسنا راسا وكا te هavoكا كعادي تبدمي normal sentence الفيديو أمي verb to be بكار إنن we have after that we have the subject am I, then we have verb plus ing playing, then we should write the complement football. After that we should write question mark. It is so important point, so you should pay attention to this. Am I playing football? بالا خو بدنا دا جمع present continuous فيدي دا فورماما سر question فورما question شيا دوابت verb to be بدي plus subject الجمع subject هيا كركدا الجمع هيا مجرد بيجن فاعل والجمع verb to be جي شيا auxiliary verbs هيا اما helping verbs ليكرنا الي كارن دكافن هذو كده واعطاو هناك قوين دكن جمع بشتي subject verb تي بوي verb دا ام تشودي زيدتكن we add ing after that we write the complement at the end you should put the question mark فيدا كل جمع مقارن question words جيب كار بينه question words شنا وكا when where why of question word مقارن بشتي ويناك verb to be إضافة كن after that we should put the subject then verb plus ing and complement. We have some examples about it. Are you cooking dinner? The second example we have is he playing volleyball? After that we have am I sitting in the right chair? Number 4, what are you doing? Here we have question words. لفيدك الجمع question words هنا بالا خبدنا ده الجمع yes no question هنا الجمع قابا قالا yes no question دكي دوابي برساتا بشبه بلشي بام is are أما الجمع حالة دوا الجمع question word هي وكوات وكوير وقتي دينا ده سبيكا هبو كده الفيدك الجمع دبيتشي question word كلمة استفهام الجمع هنا بشي هناك verb to be بكارتين هذوك أخوة دكملين حتى داويم question mark دينن. The last example it is where is he going tomorrow? I will illustrate for you on the board. I will write some examples for you in order to understand. Please pay attention to me. جمع question هيا فورما ويناك ديارة فورما question ما قوتشيا verb to be ما قوتشيا it's is are then we have subject then we have verb plus ing after that we have complement then we should write question mark لفيدا كي وقتي ام verb to be ام بكار بينه وكا امو ايزو ار برسام امو ايزو ار قبل شيء ان بيجي دا yes no question شو عطا yes no question جمع yes no question قاعد برسكت كي جوابا ويناك your answer will be yes or no يعني جوابات يا اما بيس بي يا اما بنو بي. I will give you one example. The birds are singing. I will make it question. الفيديو زيكم question ويبتشي are the birds singing? Yes they are. قابت بيجي yes تي بكملين yes الحالة كافية ضبابت بكملين yes they are or yes the birds are وقتها بكملين بنو تي بنو they are not. of yes no question الجمع من هاتشن word question or question word. الفيدا وقتي am question word بكارتين الفيدا كي وقع for example am واضينا as question word. After it we put verb to be, then we have subject, then we have verb plus ing and complement. For example, I will give you one sentence. Hani is running fast. Or now I will try to use word questions. We can use when, we can use where. Now we will try to put where. Question word malvede deina mabkarani ma where bkarani jvana ke where is Hani running. الفيدي الكودي هاني بازدا maybe in the park, maybe in the street, any place you want. الفيدي فرق بنقبا yes no question ديا و question words ديا. Now we will move to the negative in present. Negative جي قالكي سهلة تشنافي for ماما أو ب period أم بداوي دكن هاو الفيدي كي أم not بشي verb to be بكارتين. I will write the form and give you some examples. After verb to be, we put not. We have negative. I will give you some examples. I am eating food. أذخر ندخم. وده after verb to be we should put not. لوده كي جملة تدبي نيني. not لزيدت كي جملة تدبي نيني. Now I am not eating food. I will give you another example. Ali is riding a bike. Here we have subject, we have verb to be, we have verb plus ing and complement. ما قلتش verb to be am نيني لزيدات كن جملة تتبين نيني. Ali is not. جملة وكويت دينه riding a bike. This is all about negative sentences. Now we will try to read some examples or new examples for you. Here, negatives in present جمع فرماوي دخويايا ديارجي formed by subject verb to be. After verb to be am not لزيدتكن am جملة خلفيدك جاريني am دكن نيني plus verb ing am لزيدتكن وداويا ويدا complement af am الداويا ويناك period بكاركن يامات بجني دا full stop يعني am خاله بكارتينن. هاكي we have some examples. I will read it for you. Here the examples. You are not drinking a lot of soft drinks. You should pay attention to are. Pishti are we put not. He is not. After is we put not. Eating a lot of chocolate. I am not. After am we put not. Watching TV. This is all about negative, my dear students. Now we will read this text for you. It's about my sister's party. الفيديو تايتل جمر ديار بچه دبي حفلة خوهامن ياوي عيد ميلاده. We will read the text for you. Please pay attention to it. It is a busy day today. الفيديو أود بج بإيرو روجا كجلكي داغرتيا. روجاما جلكي full of things تشيا. We are preparing for my sister's birthday party. Preparing يحضر أو يجهز بأمكارة عيد ميلاد أخوها خدكن. Sisters خوهاوينايا. We are not telling her about it. لفيدا surprise شخوها أخوها تشيتكن عيد ميلاد أوي بس نابجني دا. Telling يخبر ياد بيجنيدت بأبدا مقالة في عيد ميلادي نكد يجبوي it will be a surprise ويبي مفاجأة surprise الجمع مفاجأة my mother and I are going to the market for her presents my mother دبيجامن and I as أميتشن market ميتشن سوكي يجبو أم هدايا جير بكرن presents نفيد هدايا بمعنى gifts أو جي هدايا we are buying a skirt أمي جيرة تنورة كي بكرن يا شابونكي two dresses أمي دفستانا جير بكرن and a pair of shoes أمي جحتك قندرة جير بكرن زوج من الأحذيات meanwhile my grandmother is cooking chicken and rice for dinner بشتي ولو و بيركامن كارا چکه chicken فروجه چکه and rice و برنجه چکه جبو شیوه جبو حفله عيد ميلاده my aunt is baking a cake دبي مت كامن جي و كارا كيكي gato جيرا بكي my father and brother are hanging decorations on the wall ببابه مي وبري مجي وچكن hanging decorations و ديكوري بهتاوا بكن و وقت زینه چکن و منظره دیوار خوشکن صورتها تشتغلوا به بدالقين the celebration is starting soon بوينها حفلة محلا ببلشه my sister's friends are coming into the house هفالي خهامن وإن جمع مالي they are bringing presents too أوجي هدية ديارية جي خهامن رأينن they are waiting to surprise her أوجي البندنا جواري ومفاجأة كجيرة تشيكن when she gets home وقتي بقري مالي when she opens the door بقافة أو دريبكي she will be very happy ويقلكي كيف خوش به شما to see all of us جبر قويمة قشابيني وقلك شابه بعيد ميلادها my dear students this is our text it's about birthdays party now we will move to the questions please answer the questions with me answer the questions فرسا يكيد بجنة what is my family preparing for أبعا إلى هناك كارا شتكي إذن my family preparing for my sister's birthday I will write the answer on the board and you can write with me the first answer we will write my family is preparing for my sister's birthday. The second question is what are my mother and I doing at the market? Then my mother and I, or you can write we are buying skirt and two dresses for my sister's birthday. بأزو دي أخوة أم تشون سوكي جبو أم شابون ودفستانا أم بكرن you can write two pairs of shoes جي. Number 3 we will read it is my grandmother baking a cake بدت بجد بما بيركامن ويناكي كارا كيكر here is the answer no she is not بدي ما go my aunt will baking a cake الفيديو وين ما تكمل كيكي تشيكي the last one are my sister's friends bringing presents ما وي هفالي خوها من هدايا اينن يانا yes they are but of course we اينن here my students we have a paragraph in your notebook write a paragraph about your last birthday party for example what did you eat Who came to your party? Vedete بيجي باراجراف كده سر عيد ميلاد خويا داوي example مينا كابدمه وتشخوار والكودة بون وتشاني سر حفلة. It's your homework now. The lesson is finished. I wish for you happy watching and goodbye.